Trying to use Instagram's Restyle but the option isn't showing? Here's the fix. First, update Instagram in the App Store or Play Store, then reopen the app. Next, look in the right place. Open Instagram, start a new story, pick a photo, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and check for Restyle. On some accounts, Restyle also appears in the video editor under Edits. Try a supported media type. If it's missing on video, test with a still photo first. Next thing you want to do is refresh the app. Force close Instagram and reopen. If that fails, sign out and sign back in. Now, clear temporary data. For that, open Settings, tap General. Now select iPhone storage and find Instagram. Now tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again for confirmation. After some time, reinstall the app and check. Finally, know the limits. Restyle is rolling out by region and account, so it may not be available to everyone yet. Keep the app updated and check back later. If this helped you, tap like, share where Restyle appears on your device, and subscribe for more quick Instagram fixes.